Bus plugs have limitations on how many times they can be reinstalled before the UL listing is voided. The UL listing is a safety certification indicating the product has been tested and complies with industry standards. Removing and reinstalling bus plugs can potentially damage the contacts, terminals, and insulation, therefore compromising the integrity and safety of the connection. It is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for removing and reinstalling bus plugs. Use appropriate tools and techniques to avoid damage to the contacts, terminals, and insulation. Inspect the bus plugs carefully before and after each removal and reinstallation. Replace any damaged or worn bus plugs. Keep a record of the number of times bus plugs have been removed and reinstalled. Failed bus plugs can cause arcing, overheating, and electrical accidents. It is crucial to ensure that bus plugs are properly installed and maintained to prevent such hazards. If unsure about the condition of the bus plugs or the safety of reusing them, consult with a qualified electrician or the manufacturer. Reference materials include firstly, Underwriters Laboratories UL Standard 891 switchgear assemblies. This standard provides requirements for switchgear assemblies, including guidelines for bus plug connections. Secondly, National Electrical Code NEC Article 110.14 Electrical Connections. This code article requires electrical connections to be made in a manner that maintains their intended electrical and mechanical integrity. Thirdly, IEEE Standard C37.9 2018 Criteria for Protection Systems on Generating Units. This standard provides guidance on the selection, installation, and maintenance of protective relay systems for generating units, including bus plug connections.